Hello, こんにちは。It's Sushi-chan. How are you doing? Today, we will learn one of the most important grammar points called the tip form. The reason why the tip form is very important is because we use the tip form for so many Japanese structures. That's why I want you guys to focus on today's lesson. Are you ready?Let's get started! The tip form is a very useful and important verb form that we will use in many different types of grammar, such as please plus do structure, progressive form, you can plus verb structure, can I plus verb structure,and so on. A lot of structure. So that means once you learn the tip form, you can use so many structures. I will teach you how to make the tip form. Do you remember? When it comes to Japanese verbs, we have three types. The root verbs, the wu verbs,the exception verbs. If you are not sure, please get back to lesson 22 through 28. When you make the tip form, you need to tell these verb types. First, let's take a look at how to make the tip form using root verbs. Actually, it's very easy. All you have to do is just add te after the verb stem of the root verbs. Let's take a look at some examples. 食べる eat. This is a root verb. And the polite form is 食べます right? That's why the verb stem of this verb is 食べ If you don't know the verb stem, please review lesson 55. So, as I said, in order to make the tip form of root verbs, you just add te after the verb stem. So the tip form of 食べる is 食べてAnother example is 答える answer. The polite form of 答える is 答えます So the verb stem is 答え Please add て after the verb stem of the root verb to make the tip form.So the tip form of 答える is 答えて Making the tip form using root verb is very easy, right? Then let's move to the next. Now we will learn how to make the tip form using the exception verbs.Good news is that making the tip form using the exception verbs is also easy. Just add te after verb stem. It's the same as the root verbs. Please see this verb. 来る This is the exception verbs, right? If you are not sure, please go back to lesson 28.The polite form of 来る is 来ます So the verb stem of 来る is き As I said, in order to make the tip form using the exception verbs, you just need to add て after the verb stem.That's why the tip form of 来る is 聞いて Great job! I think you guys understand how to make the dead form using rule verbs and the exception verbs. In the next lesson videos, we will learn how to make the dead form using verbs, which is a little bit complicated, but I know you guys can do it too. Today's new kanji! Today we learned this kanji. For onyomi, this is pronounced as tou. For kunyomi, you can pronounce as kota. The basic meaning of this kanji is answer. Please remember, kotaeru means answer. The stroke order is like this. Homework time! Please review how to make the dead form using the rule verbs and the exception verbs. In the homework checking video, I want you guys to make the dead form using several verbs. Please master the dead form. And then, as I said, I will teach you how to make the dead form using verbs in the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my private lessons, please check the link of my Patreon page below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon. Bye bye.